Alright guys, we're back out here in the shop building more ductwork tonight. What I'm making is kind of an elbow, I guess you'd call it. What I got is an Try-On air bear filter system, and it's going to hook up to this side of the fitting that I'm making here, and then this side here is going to be 12. This is 12. It's going to be by 20 because I need about roughly 800 CFM of air for the air conditioning. So it's about roughly a 2 ton. So you need, close to 400 CFM per ton for cooling, and that's what I basically got here. So this will be insulated. So I wanted to make it oversized a little bit. That way it accommodates for any loss of dimensions on the inside. So. And this here will be 12, and it will reduce to 10 by, it'd be a double reducer actually, so it's going to reduce from 12 here to 10, and then it's going to go from 20 and a quarter to 25. So that way we can keep our airflow and our static pressures close to correct as we can get them. So anyway, I thought I'd show you this. And maybe tomorrow when I start hanging all this up along the side of the wall, you can you'll see what I'm talking about when it's installed. We'll probably put a flexible connector in somewhere in between there and the reducer. That way to minimize vibration a little bit and just make it easier to put together. So step by step, I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, we got the outer side of it done. We'll get that bent up, insulated. All right, guys, here we go with another piece of the puzzle here. This is what I got. Well, it's a double reducing fitting. Okay, it's 12 here. 12 up here to 10 here, and then it's 20 and a quarter here, right there, 20 and a quarter, and it goes to 25 here, roughly 25. You see it right there. So basically it's a double reducing fitting, and I need this because I gotta have, like I said before, 800 CFM, so the transition from this to that elbow, that way I don't lose any size. When I insulate all this, it'll shrink by an inch all the way around, so I got to make sure I get it big enough to overcome any of the shrinkage. I said shrinkage. But anyway, I'll get this bent up and insulated and put together. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to put this all together if everything works out right, and show you how it works, or how it looks anyway. Alright guys, here's that elbow that we built for the Try-On air bear, and basically this is going to go straight up against the filter cabinet, and we'll cut the back out of this. I left this, I didn't cross break yet, so it'd be flat, and we'll just, I think there's a couple inches all the way around, and we'll just S-lock it all the way around, and then screw it so it attaches pretty tight. And basically what this does is this sits up here. You can see how it fits. So yeah, I mean, that's what it's going to look like. Didn't cross break the top, so it matches the rest of the trunk work coming along the wall. But we did do the sides, so that's it so far. Anyway, keep on going. Alright guys, here's that ductwork I made for the return air. As you can see, it goes down. There's that double reducer, or I guess you could call it an increaser, either way. And then we got a piece of trunk there on the wall, and the turner comes through the wall back here. This is all insulated. Kind of a strap for space for return air down here, so it's about the best I could do. So, what do you think?